Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you have been creating something amazing. I am back with these cardboard box cutouts that I did. Don't know if you've seen that video yet, but if you haven't, I will link it below. So I had these shapes, I had all kinds of circles. And I've been playing around with some of them, and then I want to do a couple on camera with you guys. So what I want to show you is, now this is the first one I did as far as resin and trying to finish it up and everything. So I put some leather, or faux leather rather. This is the bag that I have, and there's the actual tag. I think I got this from Amazon. Let's see. And I use this color on here. No, use this color green. Doesn't matter. I'm playing around with the edges. So in my last video, well, before I go any further, thank you to every single one of you, all the subscribers, everyone who clicks play, who comments, who gives feedback, who shares. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. We're almost at 2,500 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys. Man, you guys are showing out. All right, keep doing it and keep click and play, because it tells me that you are appreciating what I put out, and it makes my heart very happy. All right, so I did my take on the cardboard box earring, but I put fabric on to my cardboard box. And let me clean this up just a little bit. And then I said, you know what, I'm gonna finish it up some kind of way. Didn't know how, knew it was gonna have some resin, and here's what I did. So in my previous video, I mentioned I wanted to do something on the edges. Now, if you notice on the edge of this one, there's that perforated corrugated box look, and I just didn't want that, so I decided I would finish it off with some faux leather around the edges. Now this one was the first one that I did. I got some bubbles. There's a lot of mistakes on this one. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, how I wanted to do it, so I just wanted to show you guys. Not everything's perfect. And I didn't film it because I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I'm going to do at least 2 on camera with you right now. So, and then I cut it too short. So there's a couple of things going on here, but I did resin them, and I might be able to save them. We'll see. So there's those. This is the next set that I did. Again, a little gap right there, but that's okay. This one I got closer. I got some glue spillage right there. I don't know if you can see it, but a little bit better, I think I can still clean these up and make them look just a little bit more. I didn't put any holes in these for jump rings, because I think what I want to do, I don't know. I just don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Now, I didn't put anything on the edges here, and I'm not sure that I will. Right? But I will have to put something on here. Listen to that. These are no longer cardboard, whereas these, right? These are sturdy and durable. I think I might keep that cardboard look, but I'm just not sure how I'm going to finish these off. So we're gonna brush on. Now for these, I said I was gonna glue them back to back, and that's what I'm going to do. Now this is going to take a minute and a lot longer, so I have them over there, 2 pair already stuck together, and I've got some clamps on them. So before I finish here, I'll show you what they look like stuck together. So we're going to put these to the side, but I'm going to put some resin on here. and see if I want to get to a point of maybe putting something on the edges. Now, see how much space is there and see how thin this is? I think this is going to puff up. I'm almost positive, but we'll see. See how skinny those are and then how much space is there? So let's just see. I might have used a smaller box, but we'll see. Don't know. Let's go ahead and do these. So this is what I did, just to show you what I did to give them a little more durability. Y'all know I love my resin, UV resin. So that's what I'm using here. And I'm just gonna brush this on and let it soak in. I want y'all to notice that it is soaking in. So don't get scared. And I'm gonna get close to the edges. And you want this to look like it's soaking. So it will penetrate the fabric and what's under it, which is the cardboard. Now, it won't go all the way through to the other side. At least I don't think it'll have time, because we're getting ready to put this under the lamp. And I'm just brushing enough to give the next coat of resin something to grab onto. That's just about all I need, really. And put that under the lamp. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. And that's got a nice rough texture, but that's okay. All right, let me get this under the lamp, and then I'm gonna give y'all a peek of what those two look like under that are glued together. So these, I've got them stuck in the clamp here. If you don't have any of these and you glue stuff together, these are game changers sometimes. All right, and these are some coasters that I had that I wanted to keep them flat. So I got one on one side and one on the other. Now these are not dry, but I wanted to show you what they're gonna look like. And I will be doing some resin on these. See, that one needs a little bit of love right there. So we'll see. I don't know if I can save these. We'll see. I'm gonna move them to the side so I can get them to fully dry. All right, let's see. All right, this is dry. Now I'm gonna flip it over and give this one a coat. Oops. Didn't need long in the lamp. I had a lot of fun doing these. The cutting part just took a little bit more time, and that's fine. All right, let's get that as much as I can off of here. Uh-oh. I gotta make sure I don't put my hand in that resin. I think I'm just rushing it. Alright, under the wrap. Alright, I'm going to do one more coat. Actually, it's going to be one more brushed on coat, and then I will put a dome on both sides. So I'm going to do this, brush it on again, and then I'm going to dome it. And I'll be back after I finish that part. Okay, so it looks like it did puff up like I was thinking it would, and that's cool. So these are the earrings blanks now that they have been coated. So y'all tell me how you think you want me to finish them. I like, I haven't put anything around the edges, which I don't know if I will. And these are the two that I am looking to finish. How I'm going to finish them, I don't know. I was thinking of putting a wire through right there and just making a design down at the bottom. I don't know, we'll see. So cardboard to really firm earrings or blanks, whatever you want to do with them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. These are the ones to go over. What I did do with these is I put that leather on the back, on the edges. And then these, I did the same. Not sure I like this green though. Well, first of all, it's not connecting there, so I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll figure it out though. I just wanted to show you guys, so far so good, what I've done, because I had a lot of these cut out. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Go create something amazing.